Today we're going to replace the cabin air filter, which is part of the Schedule B service. We're going to make more videos on the services that are part of the Schedule B service. But for today, we just started with the easiest one. For this, you only need the cabin air filter and a flat screwdriver. So let's go. Wait, let me take off my glasses. Okay, first we can use the flat screwdriver to open this up. This is so easy. Like this. Wait, is this? Just pop it out. Put it over here, and this is the cover for the air filters, and there are 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, and there's another one right here. So we have to just pop it out like that. Wait, hang on. Whoops. 3. And let's unclip this all the way back here too.
How's your fingernails, honey?
Still here. I think this one is still stuck here. Help! It's stuck.
Okay.
Wait. I think maybe because I didn't. There you go. There. And wait, the filter just slide right out. Let's pull it out. Okay, so we want to make sure we know how the filter goes in. I think on the bottom, there's an arrow. See, there's an arrow right here. And the arrow is supposed to point toward the driver's side. And let's see how dirty this is. Is that dirty?
Very dirty.
And then the top has these 2 holes. So the holes goes on top. Let's put the new one in. Let's get the new filter. This is the Mercedes part. Honey, is it the exact same one?
Let's hope so.
Okay, so the holes are up on top here, and where's the arrow? So the arrow right here, we want it to go to the driver's side, so it goes up like this. Okay, let's see.
Having trouble, honey?
It's a little stiff, so you kind of have to guide it in. How come it doesn't?
That's fine.
Oh, okay. Well, now have to put the cover back on, then it will stay, huh? Oh.
1, 2, 3. Is the 4th one in?
I think so. See? That was easy. But because it's so hot outside that I'm sweaty for an easy project. Okay, hang on. I have to put the cover back on. Where is it? Sorry. Oh, okay. Let's slide this back in. And then just close it up. Done. Such an easy project. So what's next, honey?
Air filter.
Air filter. This is air filter. Oh, cabin air filter. The other one is oil air filter.
No.
No.
Engine air filter.
Air filter.
All right, let's go do it.
So many air filters.